Hello, in front of me I have AGPTEK LW11 smartwatch, and I'm gonna show you how to unpair this watch from the Android phone. First, we need to open the FitCloud Pro application on the phone that is paired with our watch. So let's open it. In the application you should see the home page. Now tap on the device icon to open the device page, and on this page you should see your LW11, and also it should say connected. Now scroll down through this page and find the option, or rather button, called unbind. Tap on it, tap on confirm. The watch will disappear from this page. Now you can close the app, open the Bluetooth settings on your phone, and you can do it by swiping down from the top of the screen to open the quick panel, then swipe down again to open the list of shortcuts, and on the list you should see Bluetooth icon. You can press and hold on it to open the menu. And here we have the list of connected devices. As you can see, we have the list called paired devices, and on it we have some device, but we don't have the LW11 on this list. It's on the list of available devices. If it was right here on the paired devices list, you can tap on the info icon or settings icon next to it, and then you should see the option unpair or forget device. Tap on it, then confirm to disconnect it. But on my phone it's not connected right here, so we can close the settings. And at this point the watch is completely unpaired from our Android phone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.